Okay, so here it is, the 1984 500SEC Euro Spec. It is now on the market. I am selling this car. I have my eyes on a 560 that I'm going to pick up, a black one. You know, white is not usually my color, but this is a beautiful example of a 500SEC. This is the Euro Spec one. The headlights have been switched out to the US spec, the ones that sit back, the recessed headlights. Tail lights are still the same. Marker lights are still the same. It is a pretty white, has the navy blue interior. It is original white and it has been painted again, but this is probably 10, 20 years ago it's been painted. And the white actually does look good. It does look good. It's very clean. Cleans up very well. The body is not dented or scratched up. If there is rust, it's hard to find. It's not rusted out as you oftentimes see. I might need a key to pop the trunk. Looks very good. Right now it's running. I will show you the trunk here in a second. But check it out. Look at the engine compartment. Looks good. It takes 2 latches, right? There we go. Here and running. Hose idle, very good. It has an exhaust leak coming from up underneath. You can hear it. About there on both sides. The passenger side has a hole at the top, so that exhaust leak needs to be repaired. Seats work. Headrest works. All right, that's with this button right here. Boom. All right. Same thing over there. There we go. All right. Forward, back, no problem. Dashboard has a few little cracks in it. Nothing major. Oh yeah, the seatbelt extenders work. That's always important. A few little hairline cracks. Nice cover, hides that well. The sunroof does not go back or forward. Now, it might be the switches. I'm not sure because the switch has a lot of play in it. You don't feel the switch. It's not stiff. So I bet you the switch is done. That switch probably needs to be replaced. These switches work. Now, going up, it reacts. Going down, it does not. You have to use the switch right here in order to raise this rear quarter window, driver's side. But the switch does go back up, just not down. So that switch is faulty. So that's why I said this switch might be faulty, because there's tons of play in that. It doesn't even almost want to react. All right. But all the other windows work with those switches. It's just in all gears. The ABS light comes on. That might be, what is that thing called? The voltage, what is that thing? It's a relay that oftentimes is associated with the idle, and also the ABS light comes on. So that could be it. The over voltage relay, something like that. That could be the issue, or it could be a sensor on the wheel, like brake sensor, I don't know. It could be, one of those sensors on the wheels. But likely it's the over voltage relay, whatever I think it's called, that could be causing that ABS light to come on. Let's see. AC is not cold, but it blows. Heat blows, no problem. Defrost works. There's some paperwork in there. This is a remote for the aftermarket radio. It comes on, but I don't hear any sound. Also, the speakers have been upgraded. I think Rockford Fosgate or something, I don't know. But yeah, the headliner is hanging down a little bit right there. I'm not gonna mess with that. The seats are pretty much intact at the top. The threads are coming loose at the top, as you can see. But everything else is good though. The seats are pretty decent. Little tear right there. Driver's side has a little tear right there. Has a new fuel pump, new fuel filter. What else is going on here? A couple lines have been replaced. Fuel lines in the back. Has the exhaust leak, like I said. Good tires, good wheels, good tread. All right, new pump, new filter, couple new lines. Has a crack in the rear window. Gotta show that. Don't know how they got there, but it's there. Let's see, the paint starting to chip away a little bit right here. You can see the paint up underneath in the new paint. Some people want to see if there's any rust up under the doors. Gotta show that. Don't want you wasting your time. But you know exactly what it is. Here goes that exhaust leak I was telling you about. It was right on top of that, like right where they join together, right before they join together. It's in split maybe, right at the top is open. So you gotta fix that exhaust leak, cut that out, re-weld a piece in there. Oh yeah, here goes the door panel right here too. Looks good, everything looks good, looks real good. All right, you can hear the exhaust leak when I'm accelerating. hear the brakes in the back a little bit. Brakes are a little soft, so that ABS light might be related to the brakes. Need to be replaced. This thing got heated seats. Seats is hot. Could be. Shoot, I don't even know. All right, so it drives. You guys can drive this or put it on a trailer, whatever you want to do. But it does drive good. Just keep in mind it's a 1984. Let me roll these windows up, show you the trunk real quick. Like that, all the windows go up and down. I love that. And it could be the over voltage regulator, relay, whatever I think it's called, because it does like the idle at about 10,000. It'll drop down when you put it in gear, but it does like to hover around that 10,000 mark. Previous owner did say it had a high idle, so it could be that. All right. Oh yeah, the trunk. There you go. So looks good. I'll bring it around. Hold on. Got one spot right there. Looks really good though, besides that one spot. Still has the spare. Looks like it's never been used. Brand new spare still. Has the jack also. So here it is, guys. This is an opportunity if you do want an SEC, a Euro spec, not a US spec, but a Euro spec SEC in good running condition. It's been in storage for some years. I pulled it out, purchased it, fixed a couple things that were wrong with it, and it's up and running. So this is your opportunity to buy it. How much? I'm asking $7,500 or best offer. It's on my local Cincinnati Craigslist and also on Facebook Marketplace. If you want it, give me a call. Area code 513-967-8079. If you need help with transport, I'm close to a transport company that can give you a quote to get it shipped out of here, deliver it wherever you want it to go. So again, thank you for watching my content. It's for sale. Let me know.